Recording the sewer line here from the south side of the house here on 5th Avenue West. Date's April 15th, 2020. We're looking at the city main line here. We're going to come back through an old Bob Oates 6-inch liner. So this is a little stub of 6-inch clay coming back into Bob Oates 6-inch liner. Coming back up towards the house now. Recording this from the Cleanout again on the south side of the home. I believe it's 1515 5th West. Hold on a sec. Let me double check the address. "2515 5th Avenue West." Excuse me, 2515 5th Ave West. Coming back through the 6-inch Bob Oates liner. This was installed in the past. And we're back into the Bob Oates repair out near the parking strip here. Here's the parking strip repair. Now we're back into clay pipe here as we come back up towards the house. So I'm going to zero out the footage just so we have an idea if we were to do a liner how far it would be. So zeroing out, coming back. This almost looks like a backwards bell. It's kind of tough to tell what that is going on there, but a little bit funky there. Coming back up towards the home now. You got what looks like maybe was a former downspout tie-in that's allowing roots to come in here. Again, a little bizarre. I don't see a downspout on this side of the home. Yeah, so there is an old concrete downspout here on the front side of the home with quite a bit of roots growing into it. But must still be functioning. I can test the functionality of that here shortly after the end of the recording. And we're coming back up out of the Cleanout here. So about we'll call it 27 feet of liner if we were to do a liner through this section. I'm going to end the video there.